Neat. Older Series 1s. This is going to be one of the elevators here, or both elevators, I guess, at the Hibbard building in Colorado Springs. Oh, actually, these are very early, newer Series 1s. Four? Actually, these aren't really newer Series 1s. I can tell by the brailles. Anyways, here we go. Turn 4. Well, that was boring. More generic than I expected, but I mean, these are okay though. They're nice, but not as nice as I was expecting. It is what it is though. It's not too common though. I do see a bronze or brass Series 1 though, so I'll give them that. But yeah, way more generic than expected, but like I said, is what it is. Anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.